Okay, the birds is out today. Right before I turned on the camera, they were just like, pew, 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 pew. And there's this box of books outside my house, and I'm getting the orangutan right here. What is that? Is that a fox in a suit? In the orangutan's arms. That's interesting. Avatar, The Last Airbender. The School for Good and Evil. Oh, the comic books. Oh, it's in Spanish. Right? No. El Legado. No, that's not. Interesting. My secret unicorn is almost flying high. My mommy is flying high. Babysitters Club. Boy Crazy. Stacy. Yeah, you see, I knew I was picking up on them. Warning. Warning. Yeah, it was 9:40 when I came out here. A whale of the wild. A wolf called Wander. Oh, they're so pretty. The orcas. So, the great white sharks. Yeah, pollution. So, Australia. The Pisces. Explosive erotic. Oh, I'm going to get this. I'm going to read this. Pisces. Upside down magic. The big shrink. The grapes. The milk. Yeah, that's what my mom was drinking in the last couple of days of those milk drinks. Magali. Oh, this is what it is. That's really cute. I like these. Cute. I'm gonna take this one. So yeah. Yellow. Call me mellow yellow. Yeah, the birds got some messages today. They is screaming it at somebody. Maybe something about somebody's birthday, or I don't know. But they is screaming something at somebody.